Stop struggling with muted audio on YouTube TV. If you're seeing the picture but hearing nothing, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this smart TV app issue in just a few simple steps. Let's get your sound back now. Welcome back to Sleek Guides. I'm your tech educator, and today we're focusing on utility and high-value information to solve one of the most common issues on the YouTube TV app, the dreaded no sound bug. Before we dive into settings, let's clear the basics. First, verify that neither your TV nor your soundbar is muted. Check your remote and the physical buttons on the device. Next, open a different app like Netflix or YouTube. If sound works there, we know the issue is isolated to the YouTube TV app itself. Now let's look at the app's internal settings. While playing a video, navigate to the three-dot menu and select Audio. Check if secondary audio programming or SAP is enabled. If it is, switch back to the primary audio track. Many users find their app accidentally switched to a silent secondary track. If the settings look correct, but you're still hearing silence, it's time for a refresh. Completely close the YouTube TV app from your TV's multitasking menu or app list. If that doesn't work, perform a power cycle. Unplug your TV from the wall, wait a full 60 seconds, and plug it back in. This clears the app's cache and resolves most software glitches. One final check: your TV's system audio settings. Ensure the audio output is correctly assigned to your speakers or soundbar. If you're using an external audio device via HDMI, IARC, or optical, ensure the digital audio format is set to PCM or auto, as some formats like Dolby Digital Plus can occasionally cause compatibility issues with the app. A quick safety reminder: these steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Always avoid third-party repair software or unofficial fix-it apps found online. These are significant security risks and often scams. For further assistance, reach out to official experts at support.google.com/YouTubeTV or call the official support line at 8333892054. Did this fix your sound? If so, hit that like button and subscribe to Sleek Guides for more authoritative, fast-paced tech tutorials that get straight to the point.